This episode is sponsored by Pitaka. What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in our video, and today we're looking at the Pitaka MagEZ Card Sleeve 3 and the MagEZ Case 3. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. And let's see if the MagEZ case and the MagEZ Card Sleeve 3 are any good. Here we go. As you can see, the nice packaging by Pitaka is really good here. It's also nice that they use biodegradable materials. Pitaka calls them the sweet boxes.
These are our new members. They not only provide us with energy, but also undertake Pitaka's great mission. But fulfilling this mission isn't that easy. Firstly, they have to collect the remaining sweet power, just to come back to life. Then they must go through cutting, stirring, and the most challenging part, hot press molding under 250 degrees Celsius temperature. Finally, all the sweet power has been converted into boxes. We called them Pitaka's sweet boxes. Wait, we don't waste even a single drop of sweet power. These scraps can be made into egg trays in supermarkets. Pitaka's sweet boxes can hold not only our iPhone 14 phone cases, but also some stationery or keys. Even if they get lost in the soil, they degrade themselves after 6 months. But no worries, their lives are not over. The sweet power they generate helps us save around 2,100 trees every year. They are always with us. This is an ongoing mission. Sweet power never ends.
Nowadays, there's so many paper and wasted packaging on many different products that we get, so it's nice that they use biodegradable materials. Once we open up the packaging, it would look like this. Again, every single one is biodegradable material, even this paper back here with the instruction manual on how to remove it, how to remove the case from your phone. So the MagEZ Case 3 is built in a magnet around here on the MagSafe area. So it extends the magnetism of the iPhone to the case so that when you do put it on accessories, some MagSafe accessories, it'll stick better to that accessory. It also comes with these 3 stickers so that it fits better on your phone. You just stick it on the case and you'll be able to fit it much better on the phone. Now let's grab our iPhone 14 Pro here. This works on many other iPhones as well. Just check out their website and it does fit on there. And as you can see on the iPhone 14 Pro, it fits really well. No problem whatsoever. The cutout on the camera is there. Even on the side button, even on the volume rockers, it fits really well. It does have a cutout on the bottom as well for the speaker grill and the lightning port, and the top as well is a little bit open there. These cases are made from wind turbines and aramid fibers. Really good material by Pitaka. Now the other case has a different feel, a different color to it. Still carbon fiber, but it has this stitch in the middle, the red stitch, and a green side. It still fits really well, kind of like last time, but it has a different taste to it because It's different colors and different look to it. Still has a really good feel on the hand as well. Definitely recommend it. Now for those of you who are minimalist and you only need about a couple of cards here, maybe a credit card and your driver's license, you'll be able to do that with this. This will work without the Pitaka MagEZ case. It still holds well without the case, but the Pitaka MagEZ Case 3 makes the magnet a lot better. It sticks really well, and as you can see there, it has really strong magnets on both sides. Definitely recommend using this with the MagEZ Case 3 instead. Now let's try putting two cards here. Maybe just a credit card and your driver's license here. As you can see, it looks really well. It feels really good on the hand as well. This is what it looks like when it's on the case, and as you can see, it's pretty slim as well. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new case, MagEZ Case by Pitaka. This is the third version, and the MagEZ Sleeve 3 by Pitaka. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit the like button as well. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more videos to come. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.